Imagine a world where your laptop doesn't just have a screen, but a whole command center. Asus just dropped the ROG Zephyrus Duo 2026 at CES, and it is the world's first 16-inch dual-screen OLED gaming laptop. We're talking dual 3K OLEDs, an RTX 5090, and a design that literally lets you peel the keyboard off. But is this a productivity revolution or just an expensive flex? Stick around, because at the end, I'm giving you my final verdict on whether you should actually buy this thing. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to NexLab Reviews. Today, we are diving deep into a machine that feels like it's from 2030. Asus has been the pioneer of the Duo line since 2020, but the 2026 model changes the game entirely. Let's talk about the stars of the show. These dual 16-inch 3K ROG Nebula HDR OLED touchscreens. You get 21 inches of total diagonal space. Both are 120 Hz with 1100 nits of peak brightness. It's VESA HDR True Black 1000 certified, meaning the blacks are actually black. This isn't just a laptop, it's a transformer. You got 5 modes. My favorite? Book mode. Turn it 90 degrees and you have 2 portrait screens side by side, perfect for coding or long-form reading. Or dual screen mode, where you remove the magnetic keyboard and use both screens as a massive battle station. Under the hood, it's a monster. We've got the latest 16-core Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 386H, paired with an RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24 gigabytes of VRAM. It's got 1824 TOPS for local AI tasks, so you're ready for the AI era without needing a cloud connection or a data leak risk. We have to talk about the AI muscle. This RTX 5090 isn't just for frames. It's packing the new Blackwell architecture with a staggering 1824 TOPS of NPU compute. What does that actually mean? It means you can run massive large language models locally on your desk without a cloud subscription or a data leak risk. With 24 gigabytes of VRAM, this is a literal AI workstation disguised as a gaming rig. The build quality is ultra premium. It's CNC milled aluminum in a new stellar gray colorway. On the lid, you've got the all-new slash lighting with 35 discrete zones. It's sophisticated enough for a boardroom, but flashy enough for a LAN party. The keyboard is wild. It's only 5.1 millimeters thick, but keeps a 1.7 millimeter key travel. It's fully magnetic and wireless via Bluetooth, so you can position it however you want in dual screen mode. To keep a 135-watt TGP GPU cool in this thin chassis, Asus used a custom vapor chamber and, for the first time, a graphite sheet behind the paddles to dissipate heat without adding bulk. Pro creators, listen up. Asus actually gave us real ports. You've got dual Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, an HDMI 2.1, and, praise the tech gods, a full-sized SD Express 7.0 card reader. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can finally leave the dongle hell behind. It even features Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0 for the fastest wireless speeds currently possible. This machine has a 90-watt-hour battery, which is beefy, but those dual OLED 3K screens are thirsty. You get a 250-watt adapter for full power, but the USB-C ports also support 100-watt PD. Critical take: 100-watt PD is great for office work, but don't expect to render 3D scenes or play AAA games at full tilt without that main power brick. It's a compromise between portable and powerful that you need to be aware of. The verdict? If you are a creator who multitasks like a maniac or a gamer who wants the absolute cutting edge, the 2026 Zephyrus Duo is in a league of its own. It's the ultimate do-everything machine. But if you want light and simple, this might be overkill. So, are dual screens the future or just a gimmick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. This is NexLab Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.